Another really common question is, so are wigs comfortable? And that really comes down to the quality of the wig. So all the ready-to-wear hair that we offer at Woman in Disguise, yes, they're comfortable and they're designed to be comfortable. Again, a lot of the only experience you may have wearing a wig, or a lot of women have, is kind of that party costumey wig that maybe you got for Halloween. And that is made of plastic, it's hot, it's itchy, it's all those things because it's really meant to wear for a couple hours and probably never put on again. But our wigs are meant to be able to wear all day, every day if you want to. And the reason they're comfortable is that they're made of high quality, soft materials. They're all about breathability. And they also have all independent sizing mechanisms so you can get it to fit your head every day in just the right, perfect way. And so between all those elements, you do get a really comfortable wear. Now with that being said, people will say, can you tell it's on your head? And okay, yeah, I can tell it's on my head, but I will be honest, after I'm wearing one for a while, I forget. With the right high quality wigs from Woman in Disguise, you get a super comfortable wear.